Okay. Satellite trails on astrophotography. Astrophotography, for those who don't know what it is, it's when you're taking shots of the night sky. Planets, DSO, deep sky objects, stuff like that. Well, a lot of those shots, you have that, your camera, depending on the type camera you use. Like I have a Canon, how do you know what? It was my son's camera, because I always used film. But anyway, if you have like a 35 millimeter camera, you can take pictures, you can use a telescope, whatever you happen to use. Anyway, the exposure time for taking some of those shots, and the telescope tracks the object that you're taking a photograph of. Now, if you see photographs where one star is focused and everything around it is blurred, that's because the camera is stuck like basically on the North Star, let's say, and it continually exposes that particular object, keeps it in immediate frame, and it's a long exposure, and as the planet basically rotates, that's where you get the unusual image of all the stars moving. That's not what the hell this is about. Anyway, as you expose, you have to, depending on what the object is. Some of your exposures can be an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours long. Not necessarily at one shot, but you take multiple shots, and you might use half of them to a third of them. But anyway, what happens is, as you're taking that exposure, if a satellite crosses in front of your telescope, the camera picks up the image, and it's called satellite trail. And because of all the different satellites that are now going into orbit, it's creating a lot of problems. First, you had to deal with light pollution. A lot of areas now, the light pollution is so bad, even the big telescopes have issues because of the light pollution. So there's filters for that. But anyway, the picture that I'm putting up here shows you what a satellite trail looks like in your images. And it's caused by satellites, by the reflection of the satellites crossing by whatever picture you're taking. They're not as prevalent on a bright object. Let's say you're shooting the sun with a solar filter, of course, or you're shooting the moon. You're less apt to get one because of the brightness of the object behind it. So anyway, this picture here, I could even step aside like this so you can see it. So this photograph here, is spanned over several hours of exposures, and it shows you the satellite trails. And this is what astronomers are upset about, is the satellite trails can ruin photographs, obviously. It can ruin your astrophotography. So that's why astronomers are upset about the satellite trails. You have Starlink putting up thousands of satellites, and I got to give them credit, because there was a big issue when Musk first started launching those satellites because of reflection. So he used different coatings on the satellites to try to help with that. So he did listen to the astronomers and tried to litigate it as very much as possible so it's not as damaging. But anyway, get in front of it. Anyway, that's what this photograph is, or the one behind me. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet. I just may put it behind me. But anyway, this is exposures with satellite trails. Smash the thumbs up. You gotta hit the thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, hit the little B in the bottom right hand corner. There's something for everybody. I have astronomy, I have product reviews, I have politics, I have rants, I have all kinds of shit. So there's something for everybody. So anyway, smash the thumbs up. Hey, hit the subscribe button too. Anyway, I really appreciate everybody watching my videos. I kept this one short, tried to.